Gosh, I had 300,000 and my 5-year-old son deleted the video. Oh boy. God, I had 300,000 and my son deleted it off my phone. So I guess the next best thing is 312,000, right? Yeah. Alright. We got memories here, man. We get to... There's a lot of miles on this truck. This thing's not a car. It's a Honda CRV. It's not really a truck. It's a whoa. Get the speed up so we can actually see that analog. I think I had 310,000 too, so always takes that little extra for that first digit to spin over. Gotta love it. There we go, it's just a baby still. We're gonna double that.